Let's explore multiline mode with flags in regular expressions. In this video, you'll understand what the multiline flag is and how it affects the caret, which is the symbol circumflex accent, and dollar anchors in regular expressions. By default, the caret symbol, represented as circumflex accent, matches the start of the entire string. Also, the dollar sign matches the end of the entire string. These are called anchors. Here's an example demonstrating the default behavior of anchors in Python. First, we import the regular expression module. We define a text variable containing 3 lines, first line, second line, and third line, each separated by a newline character. Then we use the caret symbol, represented as circumflex accent, in the regular expression pattern r circumflex accent first, to match the start of the entire string. When we search for this pattern in the text, a match is found because first is at the beginning of the string. Next, we use the dollar sign in the pattern rline dollar sign to match the end of the entire string. This matches line only at the very end of the entire string. In this case, it finds a match with third line, which is the last line. Multiline mode is enabled using the regular expression .multiline flag. It changes how the caret symbol, represented as circumflex accent, and dollar sign anchors behave with new lines. In multiline mode, the caret symbol, represented as circumflex accent, matches the start of each line, not just the start of the entire string. Similarly, the dollar sign matches the end of each line, not just the end of the entire string. There are several ways to enable multiline mode in Python's regular expression module. Method 1 involves using the regular expression .multiline flag directly when compiling the pattern. For example, you can compile the pattern or circumflex accent word with the regular expression .multiline flag. Method 2 uses an inline flag represented as left parenthesis $m, right parenthesis within the regular expression pattern itself. For example, you can compile the pattern r left parenthesis $m, right parenthesis circumflex accent word. Method 3 involves passing the regular expression .multiline flag directly to the search function. Here's an example demonstrating how multiline mode affects regular expression matching. We start with the same text variable containing 3 lines. First, we use the regular expression .multiline flag to find second at the beginning of any line. The pattern r circumflex accent second now correctly identifies second at the start of the second line. Next, we find all lines ending with line. The pattern r $line dollar sign, combined with the regular expression .multiline flag, finds all 3 lines because each ends with line. Here are the key takeaways. In default mode, the caret symbol, represented as circumflex accent, and dollar sign match only the string boundaries. While in multiline mode, the regular expression .multiline flag makes the caret symbol, represented as circumflex accent, and dollar sign match line boundaries. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.